DFW DJ School. Today we're going to be addressing the top five keyboard shortcuts for Serato DJ. That could be important if you have USB issues, connectivity issues. Maybe your mixer or your controller is not working properly. Could be the cord. If that ever happens, it's a good idea in that emergency situation that you know these five keyboard shortcuts. Here's number one. Cue points. We all know that we can't DJ effectively without having the cue points because we do need to have the first downbeat, etc., label the drops, etc. So on deck number one, your keyboard shortcut for cues, your first cue point will be 1. Your first cue point will be the number 2. Your third cue point will be the number 3. Your fourth cue point will be the number 4. And your fifth cue point will be number 5. So for deck 1, you have 5 available cue points that you can make, and deck 2 as well, you have 5 available cue points. So let me delete these previous ones over here. So on deck 2, we're going to start off with the number 6. Number 6 will be your first cue point on deck 2. Number 7 will be your second cue point. Number 8 will be your third cue point. Number 9 will be your fourth cue point, and 0 will be your fifth cue point. So once again, 5 available cue points for each deck. And creating those cue points on deck 1 will be 1 through 5. And creating those cue points on deck 2 will be 6 through 10. Keyboard shortcut number 2 that you should be aware of is play and stop. So to play the tracks, we need to know how to play them. And to stop them, we need to know how to stop them. So on deck 1, to play the track would be W. W plays the track. W stops the track on deck 1. Deck 1, play, is W. On deck 2, play and stop will be the letter S. S plays the track, S stops the track. But again, it sounds simple, but you need to know these things. S for track number 2, and W for deck number 1. So those keyboard shortcuts for play and stop. Keyboard shortcut number 3, creating loops using only the keyboard shortcuts. So let's go ahead and play the track. Option, so we're going to select option and then 1. That's your first cue point, your first loop selection. Your second one will be 2 using option. Option 3 will be the third. Option 4 will be the fourth. Option 5 will be the fifth. You get where I'm going with this. All right, so on your second deck, just like with the loops, it's going to start off with number 6. Those songs playing. To create a loop, we'd select option 6. That'll be the smallest one. Then the second loop will be the second. The third loop will be the third. Option 9 will be the fourth. And option 0 will be the fifth loop. So creating loops manually using the option key and 1 through 5 for deck 1, the option key and 6 through 0. 10. We'll create loops for deck number 2. All right, your next keyboard shortcut is going to be using Command F to activate your search field over here. And that's going to allow you to search, let's do prints, to search your files and find them immediately. Whereas if you are over here and you just start typing, as you can see, that might fire off one of your keyboard shortcuts because we are not in the actual search box over here. So if you are not in the search box and you just start typing particular characters because you're looking for a song and you're not in the search box, you could potentially fire off a keyboard shortcut. And that would not be good in a live scenario. So in order to avoid doing that, let me give you this quick tip. Come over here in your settings, DJ preferences, and select playback keys use shift. That way, if you want to use your keyboard shortcuts and want to use one of them, you would have to hit shift first and then that keyboard shortcut. So that keeps you from making mistakes in a live scenario. So Command F will activate your find. All right, our fifth and final keyboard shortcut is going to be using Command P to activate a song in your prepare folder. So if you're scrolling, you find something you might want to play later on, Command P is going to send that to your prepare folder so that it is available later on. Once again, Command P will send a track that you have highlighted to your prepare folder. Hope these tips help out. It's your boy DJ XL, DFW DJ School. Keep practicing, practice some more. Peace.